One of my favorite things about MWEEs was gaining the confidence to call myself an environmental scientist.
So my favorite part about the MWEE is the fact that I get to teach kids about what I'm passionate about, and yeah, that is what I enjoy. If you guys can take a look, this is everything that the kids collect, and I am so happy that they have fun out in nature, and yeah.
Favorite part of this is watching the kids learn and inspiring a new generation of land stewards. I put my net in the water, use my boot to kind of collect the sediment in front. I'm doing this downstream so that any insects and macroinvertebrates flow into my net. See if you caught anything.
I've been working with the MWEEs for over 10 years, and I love being able to see kids from all over the county, all different backgrounds, different ability levels, come out to the parks and get the same experience, and most of them walk away with a really positive environmental science experience they would not have otherwise had.
My favorite thing about MWEEs is asking the students, do you care more about nature now than when you arrived this morning? And usually they say yes, and it makes me very happy.
Hi, my name is Casey, and my favorite thing about MWEEs is getting the kids engaged in science, and they always leave like a little more excited about science as well.
Was he angry? Nice job, Sydney.
Hi, my name is Morgan. I've been doing MWEEs with George Mason for about 3 years now, and I just love that it gives these kids an opportunity to come out into nature, really learn hands-on, and experience everything that has to do with our local watersheds.
We can take a good look on that. Look at that, guys. Little midges.
Jose, what'd you find?
So I found a leech. And these guys do not suck human blood. There's different species of leeches. This guy goes after cold-blooded animals, so fish and other invertebrates. But you can see that he still can latch onto my finger, but he's not sucking blood, which is a good thing. Find of the day.